Have you wondered how to make 3D metallic text like this without 3D application? I only use Adobe Illustrator here and I will show you how. First, expand the text and change the color to gradient. And then you activate your 3D inflate style here. You don't have to change a lot here. After that, go to Effect, Sketch and Chrome. Feel free to adjust as much as you want. And also you can change the angle too. After that, don't forget to render it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!